My name is Annemarie ní Churreáin. I've been working on the Lighthouse project in Sligo in partnership with CAIRDE Festival. The Lighthouse project has given me this chance to really immerse myself in the Sligo landscape and to spend time there and to tease out questions. And one of the questions that I've been thinking about is, what is the relationship between landscape and lyrical control? Between place and imagination? I've become really interested again in thinking about ecology and the history of landscape and the folklore and mythology and ritual agus an dón sin atá cangailte le Mhaid Gaelic. I've been reflecting on kind of how turning back to these rural landscapes is this natural extension of the feminist and political concerns in my own work. How can we really address the historical and cultural traumas in Ireland if we don't make time to look back? And what will our growth and evolution look like if it's not rooted and connected to a sense of place? There's something genuinely exciting about bringing poetry and film out of the art space and out of the gallery space, out of the bookshop, and bringing it back into the wild environment.